Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Ludo King game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ludo King game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed with logging in to your account if you haven't done so already using your Google or Facebook account. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now if you wish to change your username, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner and this will open up your profile. Tap on the edit profile button and now you will be allowed to choose your country, change your name as well as select your profile picture. Just tap on your current name and enter your preferred username and then tap on OK. After making all of your desired changes, tap on the continue button and now your username will be changed on your Ludo King game account. And you can change this name as many times as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on the Ludo King game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.